back to my channel, Wonder Roads. There is something wrong with my phone. It's not rotating. Auto rotation is off. Work properly, man. Okay. Let's go. I think it's going to rain. I got my raincoat, but yeah. Oh god, there is traffic. This map ka phone, no? Everything is off, I think. So I'm going to, you might have seen my thumbnail. So I'm going to install a backrest for my bike pillion. Bangalore and never-ending traffic. You can start a business here. It's Saturday. I forgot to take my balaclava. Well, auntie was seeing me from side. She was wondering what happened to this guy. Why is he speaking alone? Not auntie, madam.
Yeah, boy.
Wow. Harley. Shall I fill up petrol? It's okay, let it be. I'll do it while returning. Hey, uncle. So, what's the time? It's almost 6 o'clock. The store will be open till 7 o'clock. So I'm going to Hyperrider. What is wrong with my Google Map? God, this phone. Just a second. Auto rickshaw guy was like Sadhguru, long beard. No indicator. Simply this Google Map is making me turn all around. I would have come from directly that way and city road. I can't trust this Google Map, man. We reached Netkalappa circle. There is one temple here, Ganapati temple. Yeah. So as I said, I'm going to Hyperrider to get the backrest. I think it's very much needed when you take a pillion together because when you don't get the back support, no, for long ride it will be bit of tiring. So little bit of back support really helps actually. So there is a store called Hyperrider. Where is the location? I'll give it in the video, okay? You can check in the video the exact location. So it's a official store for Hyperrider. It's really good. They have good collection of accessories for bike and even helmets. Last time I installed tire hugger, which prevents splashing or the mud spilling around from the tires behind. I think I can go. These guys will not go. Come on, sir. Yogi. I need to go right. And this uncle will take U-turn. No. Left. Where is the left, sir? No, madam. Okay. Weather is so pleasant today actually. Such a nice weather. It's like drizzling, chill weather. Like everyone says, whatever it is, Bangalore weather is chill, man. That is the thing. So how is your weekend going on? What do you do for weekend? Do you go for ride, trekking? Are you an indoor person who likes to watch a movie? Yeah, auntie. Saved.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
I think it's a Canara Bank head office of Bangalore or something. Oh my god, what is that? Let's go fast. Sir, wrong way. Okay, I'll take third exit. It since exit. Luckily it didn't rain, and it shouldn't rain. 1.6 kilometer in 10 minutes. That is too long. Why I can't see my camera blinking? I don't know. Even Google Map is not speaking. I think all are angry with me. Mahatma Gandhi Road. Okay, it's going to MG Road. Okay, I can see the store over here, right side. 6KIOM. Yeah, I think I need to take a U-turn and come. This U-turn is going to take me 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, I think it's going to take some time. Let's see. There's some interesting restaurant on left. Something like Namma Bangalore Aquarium. It's not a restaurant, it's an aquarium, I think. There is some kind of thing. Yeah, looks like some kind of aquarium, museum or something. I don't know. There is timing also. Admission fees and ticket information for adults 95, kids 30. I'm wasting my petrol. Hey doggy. Cute dog. What is that, cotton candy? I think so. When we were a kid, we used to get this cotton candies in pink color. But nowadays, hygiene and so many factors, came. Yeah, I do understand. I think even I'll also do the same when it's time for parenting. This traffic is going to take easily more than 10 minutes. And the store guys, they said that they'll get it fitted in like what, 10 minutes? Yeah, let's see. Oh, finally. Please, before the traffic, move people. Come on. Sir, hogi. Yeah, some kind of aquarium. Okay, forget about aquarium. I'll miss my turn. Faster. No right turn, but I'm taking U-turn. Okay. Sorry. Tonic. Anyone needs tonic, come here. I don't know what tonic, but I think I know. My destination is on the left. Prestige Group, McDonald's. Okay, here is the store. Rickshawala and car guy is having some chat in the middle of the road. Very good. Oh, here. Okay, I'll keep my bike somewhere. It's easy to remove, no? Can be removed easily, no? ಈ ಥರ ಇದು ಹೆಡ್ಲೈಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇಕಂತ ಎನಿಸಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಬೋಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮದು OEM ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ OEM ಬೋಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಹೈಟ್.
All right, so I finally installed it. Let me see how useful it is. I'll let you know maybe in some other video after using it thoroughly. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Wonder Roads signing off.